In this demonstration, we're going to look at integrating Virtual Machine Manager and Operations Manager. So what we're going to have a look at to start with is installing the Operations Management console on VMM server, and then we look at enabling VMM integration with Operations Manager. So what we've got here, here's my VMM server. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to launch up Windows Explorer. I'm just going to come onto my D drive, and then the next thing we're going to do here is we're just going to come into SCOM. We'll then just run setup.exe. That's going to launch up the installation program for Operations Manager. We'll then select install. All we want to install here is the Operations console and select next. We'll just install it at that default location, select next. Now all the prerequisite tests are passed, we'll select next. We'll read through the license agreement. I've read it, do understand it, select next. I'm not willing to participate in Microsoft's improvement program here, and the same with the error reporting as well. Don't have an internet connection inside this virtual machine, and select next. We'll specify off for the Microsoft update and select next. Read through the installation summary and click install. Now this is going to take a little while, so what we'll do here is just pause the video and return back once the installation is complete. Right, installation is now complete. We'll just clear the little tick box to say start the Operations console when the wizard closes, and select close, and we'll just exit out of here as well, and we'll just close down Windows Explorer. Next thing we need to do now is we just need to enable VMM integration with Operations Manager. So what we've done here is I've already launched up VMM, and what we're going to do here is just come to System Center Settings, and we have our Operations Manager server. So all we'll do here is we'll just right click this, and then we'll come to our properties. Just on the introduction page, we'll have a quick read through that. So credentials and account needs to be a member of the Operation Manager's user role. We also need a VMM administrator role. We have to have these management packs installed, and we also have to have the Ops Manager console installed on the VMM server, which we have. So we'll select next. Then what we need to do is just fill out the server name. And my server is lon-om1.datum.com. I am going to use the VMM server service account, which in my case is SC service. I will enable the performance and resource optimization, and I will enable the maintenance mode integration with Operations Manager as well. So as it says down at the bottom here, when your host is put in maintenance mode, attempt to also set them in maintenance mode in Operations Manager as well. Happy with all of that, so we'll just select next. Then in the connection to VMM, all I need to do at this point here is I just need to specify username and password, and I'm specifying a datum /sc service, specify the password, so we'll select next. Read through the summary. We can also view the PowerShell script as well if we want, and then select our finish button. It's running through the job. We'll just leave that running and return back once the job is complete. So as we can see now, it has completed. It has completed with warnings, but all we can see here, it's failed to restart the VMM agent service on the computer. It's telling me to manually restart the VMM service, and if we look down here, it's just telling us that things can't be automatically discovered. That's fine because the agent hasn't restarted. So all we'll do here is we'll just give the VMM agent a quick restart. So I'll just launch up services. So here we are, we've got the System Center Virtual Machine Manager agent. So all we'll do here, we'll give this a quick restart, and once this is restarted, we'll then have full integration. And that's the end of this demonstration. Thanks very much.